Hey everybody, this is Dustin, RV Specialist. So I'm on the opposite side now of this Keystone Cougar. And again, I want to talk about just stuff that I'm seeing when we're looking at the roofs of a Slideout. So we're always looking for the tape condition and whether or not you can see the screws rubbing through, if you're seeing that the tape is peeling loose at all, or if there's any cuts or tears like there is in this corner. And you can see the black where it's rubbed through to the white, and you can see all the dirt. So from here back, that's dirt and water that just set standing even when this is in the closed position. So you can see how dirty the seals are. These seals need to be cleaned and lubed. Another thing I'm always looking at is the sealant that's above this rail. So when these aren't sealed or the sealant is separated, which is kind of hard to get back there, but when the sealant separates, which it has done on it down, what happens is as water, even they put a rail here, as water gets past this rail, which comes and sets in here, it can actually absorb into the wall and dry rot the whole surface of this wall from here to here. So if you've seen other videos and pictures, you'll see where we've actually ripped the rims out and we're having to rebuild the walls from the inside to put the strength back in the wall. So make sure that you're staying up on your rails. This rail again is missing its insert molding just like the other side, and as you can see, that screw's loose. There's no screws in the ends where there was 2 screw holes. That screw's loose, and at least, well, they did the same thing on the other end down there. There's screws missing from the last foot. So they either didn't add a screw into it, which is what they did on the opposite side of the coach as well. And then same thing as this side. This side's missing the insert moldings. And at least they went ahead and did the double screw at the end like I like to do. But all the sealants on this corner, so all the sealants have worn loose, and there's actually a cut in that membrane, if you can see that membrane. And then somebody used the wrong product, or they siliconed on top of the insert molding, and then they coated the roof too. So the roof has been coated, which there's the coating on it. I wondered why it looked a little bit different, but did they coat the whole thing? Yeah, they did. So anyways, oh yeah, there they coated, because there's some coating around the AC where they didn't remove it. No big deal. But anyways, make sure that you're cleaning and checking out your roofs and your bodies. And this coach, this rail is just a gutter rail. Typically, if it was pre-set up for a Slideout topper, it would have a C channel in there that's facing this way to accept the GIMP of the Slideout topper rail. But what's nice is you can remove these rails, add another rail in its place, and you can very easily install Slideout toppers on both of these 2 slides. So make sure that you're keeping up on your sealants and on your cleaning of the Slideout toppers, lubricating your wiper seals. Make sure you're sealing the top of these. Make sure you keep up on your insert moldings and your screws that are loose. The cables, we're always looking at the cables and the mountings of the cable pulley slides, the screws on the sides and whatnot. So hopefully these videos help you. And this was just me jumping up on a ladder while the guys are on break, taking a look to see what was going on and what I see. And see a lot of weird stuff, sealing around the window. So that's gonna end up leaking, causing damage. And sealing around the light down there, and the wiper seal's coming loose down there as well. So anyways, I will get with the guys and we'll get this customer all the information that we found wrong with the Slideouts and go from there. But I can't express enough to you, I'm coming down the ladder, about maintenance. And again, this coach was brought in here this morning at 8 o'clock. It's now 10 o'clock now. You can still see all the condensation and all the water underneath that where it's been dripping and is still dripping. You can see all the water clear underneath there from just the morning dew on the roofs. So make sure you're staying up on all your sealants. Make sure to stay up on all your body sealants. And we will talk to you soon. Thanks so much for watching. And if you haven't joined our Keystone RV owners in the RV shop with Dustin, getting tongue-tied, we encourage you to do so. I got lots of videos, posts, articles, tools, you name it, on there to help you. This also is like a resource for people that want to see what's going on with our units in our shop. So it kind of serves as an update, even though sometimes we don't get it posted until after they've left. So, all right, thanks so much for watching.